what's the matter, fossil? Too senile to make a real power grab? You better show some respect. Check your behavior. No one speaks disaster that way. Did you expect us to sit back and take your insolent brace in this way? You got twisted. I'm not the one who needs a new attitude. Maybe you missed it, but I'm bad at it, and I will do nothing less than what I please. Whoa! I'm the backbone of the beast. Mad that I acted respectless. Well, it's just I want to respect this. Sorry, group attending. Since when are overlords too scared to fight? You're long past trending. Sorry, babe, but I ain't typing right. You lost your relevance. Look at that, you got more intelligence. No wonder why I'm so respectless. I could eat you up for breakfast. You let the beast sorry they even uninformed. Not wannabes who don't eat when you've been warned. Oops, did I strike a nerve? Cause when I brought out the easiest head, I couldn't help but observe that your wrinkled face was turning right away. You avoided all. That's what the guns you stand for. Thanks to my being respectless.